𝐸𝐴𝐿𝐴𝐿𝐴𝐿 is a robot for start trading with Binance account. After binding Binance account with this robot 𝐸𝐴𝐿𝐴𝐿, okay, you also may start with your at least $10 to $100, according you want to more or more. Okay, no problem. Therefore, after finish to this robot activate, okay, after activate your 𝐸𝐴𝐿𝐴𝐿 account and binding your Binance, okay, then you may also start trading. After doing successful your 𝐸𝐴𝐿𝐴𝐿 account, you go to strategy home strategy circle news mine strategy click. Then you can see here boot and running and boot. Okay, boot martingale strategy boots. Click here. Okay, choose a circle owner to send your strategy automatic send strategy. Okay, or feel free to create your own strategy, more flexibility. Okay, next. Okay, then choose which we want to start trading. This so many coin here. Now is some are downtrend, some are uptrend. Okay, you have to choose downtrend because you want to buy. Okay, now okay, ATA USD is the 5% downtrend. Okay, now I choose here, click. After choose this ATA USD, okay, trade setting, how much dollar is choose, $100, $10, from $5, or $10. Okay, according your spot balance from your Binance. Okay, Binance $100, you have spot at first. You also may start at $10, no problem. $5, no problem. Okay, but 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐿𝐴 $10. This is the 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐿𝐴. Okay, then the your profit ratio, hold position take profit ratio, when hold position take profit call back. Okay, strategy period cycle, tap click here, one should set. After click strategy period, you also see one should, then set. Say okay, sure. Then the cycle sell buy, you want to buy, click okay. After finish, you go to running. Okay, now here, this is the uptrend. Now plus 0.54, plus 0.54 and 48 is the profit for my this $17. Okay, now my remaining dollar is 8, only 8. So small. Okay, therefore after reach the 5 or 6% return rate, okay, automatically buy, or no, automatically sell. After this 5% uh, will be sell automatically. Okay, this is the system of robot. Robot cannot send loss. The robot will be send profit. Okay. Sini hazik ana hazik business dollar tratet masih hazik running rate lere masih karamu haida kare somda yamna buy to sell to na kare duna hazik sei da masih sei lere aru tar de hazik sei sangjalo hazik ara koi gi hazik 2023 gi December da dollar mari tongba sidi yenga roi to silare military ni gatani yenga military ni matungde yengba ta yaroi arigi mu 2024 ki February ki tarik kulumdoi da asina 0.2 dollar tonge 0.2 dollar je sidi adam lupa kudrani pugi wari ni arigi mu 2024 ki May ki tarik tarukta 0.49 sidi dollar bakhay ma lupa yang kaya tonge nasi ni ko nasi lupa yang kaya tonge adu zik sanari azik running da lady azik masih mung kaya tonge yengsi nongmuda jamda dollar ama gumba lupa sam chani gumba dun yai chimana akoi shima mangan da bida sini ko ana sini zik sigi akoi ki masih ki robot azigi akoi ki restart sign up ki aigi referral link adudi aigi YouTube azigi describe da changjalaga yor magani adagi restart tawsalaga account to activate tawtho account activate tawtho matungda binding tawsalani ganoga Binance with 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐢𝐭𝐚𝐴 account. Then after finish binding Binance and 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐢𝐭𝐚 robot account, you may also start trading automatically or on strategy. Okay. Now, isai apamba tau yai automatically talan gaya kana dollar khayam thada kadamne akona dollar je laitamina dollar ta kun thada ba adigi mu khayam thada ba mi lay dum aduna mu yare wada muthang sini sum nongda pasam chani mu sum tan mi jai ana seida chimban chilare ana dardi masih kai bana dollar ta tigi hoda ba kai bas aduna adik kar haidari yai pare